I'd like to talk with you about a few terms relating to pH before we actually take a look at the figure of the pH scale. The pH scale is a device used to measure the relative acidity of different solutions. Acidity, or if a solution is said to be acidic, means that it has a concentration of hydrogen ions in a specific range of the pH table, whereas if the concentration of hydrogen ions is relatively low, it's said to be a basic solution. So we know that if we look at the pH scale, we can break it into two broad regions, the acidic region and the basic or the alkaline region. The pH scale is a numeric scale going from 0 to 14, with pH 7 representing neutrality. Now, the two types of ions we're talking about, one we've already mentioned, the hydrogen ion. The second is called the hydroxide ion, and it's an OH that has an overall -1 charge associated with it. So you can see if you take an H plus 1 and an OH minus 1 and put them together, you have neutralized your charges or balanced them out, and your formula is HOH, which is H2O. So therefore, if a solution is said to be pH 7, it's neutral, which means the concentration of hydrogen ion is equal to the concentration of hydroxide ion. Now, if the concentration of hydrogen ion increases, then the solution becomes more acidic. If the concentration of hydroxide ions decreases, then the solution is said to be more basic. So let's take a look at the scale from the figure in your textbook and relate these terms to that particular figure.